Hi. So another very important feature that we offer clients is the Complaints and Compliments module. This allows you to track complaints and compliments from clients directly to certain employees that they've interacted with. To use this tool to its full capacity, you would first start off with adding new clients or importing them. If you have an Excel or CSV file, you can mass import your clients in there. We can also help you move those from the client tracking service that you use now to the PipeHire system if that is the format that you're using. If it is an Excel or CSV file, you can do it manually by just copy and pasting, same as you would do with a mass import of employees. To start off tracking complaints and compliments, you would hit the Complaints or Compliments tab, whichever one you would like to enter. To add a new compliment, you would hit Add New, and then it will take you to a page where you can enter which employee it is, what client it was assigned to, the client zip code, the date of the compliment reason, and any notes that you may have, or a copy and paste of the customer email. These are also a couple questions that you can fill out. If there was a house check completed by the field manager after the employee left, did it generate a positive review for your business on Yelp or any other review platform, the status of the compliment, or the score. So the scoring system allows you to track the score for a particular compliment. We usually suggest that you play around with this depending on what kind of compliment you're receiving. For example, if an employee went into a house and the client's overall review was that it was a positive experience and that everything was done right, but there was one or two little things that they would change, it wouldn't be classified as an overall complaint, but you might want to give it a lower score so that way the employee knows that they could do a better job next time. We also have two options for saving. You can only save into the system itself, so that way you're the only one seeing it, or you can save and send a text message to that employee, giving them a full description. You can also check that off so that they know what compliments or complaints they are receiving. When sending the text message, the employee will never see the client's name, phone number, personal information, things like that. They would just see the name of the client. If the employee doesn't speak English, we have built a Google Translate into this text message so employees can see it in Spanish. Again, the text message is only the employee's name. It will not include any of the client's personal information. You can also check off, like I said, that the employee can view the description or not. So not only can you track compliments, but you can also track complaints. You can access that by hitting this Complaint tab under the Management Hub. Just like with a compliment, you would just hit Add New and it'll take you to this page to fill out the information concerning the complaint. You would fill out the employee name, the client name, their zip code. To fill this out would be important because you would be able to create a report section with the top and most complaint zip codes so you can see which areas are doing the best, which areas are doing the worst. That is a feature coming out in 2021. Putting in the client zip code would also be able to help you see if you want to move around your advertisement area targeting to some place where you have more compliments versus complaints. That way you're getting the most bang for your buck. Same as with the compliments, you would put in the complaint reason. We have more options here since complaints are more important to a business manager. You can also copy and paste the customer email, same thing with compliments, or describe the complaint if it was taken off of the phone. With the Status Client tab, you would be able to enter more detailed information, such as if the employee was changed, if there was a refund provided, if the manager had to do a home inspection, things like that. You can also mark if it was a bogus complaint. You can also mark what the status of the employee action was, if an SMS message was sent, a verbal warning, things like that. For the complaint scoring system, one would be a light complaint, things like they forgot to clean a mirror. A hard complaint would be they flooded my house, a pet was almost injured, something really extreme that you would want to mark off. This helps to feed your leaderboard so that way you can see which employees are doing the best work and which ones need to be brought in for any kind of disciplinary action. You can save and send an SMS, same as with compliments. They are usually sent out 7 p.m. Central Time because sending a text message during working hours may make the employee feel unmotivated, so we have triggered it to send after working hours. In the account settings notification tab, as with the employment anniversary and employee birthday notifications, we also have complaint and compliment reminders that can be sent out to employees with the complete and detailed description. Just make sure these are toggled on so you would be able to send those out. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to start a chat with us or schedule a call with myself. We can also help you if you need help entering paper copies of complaints or compliments, or you want to transfer from a different software. We can for sure help you with that. Just feel free to reach out to us and we can start that process.